make you do some of the work.
12:10. Some of the work. It'll be a long trip.
It is.
12:10 we're starting a trip. And we encounter a couple of logjams here in the first few miles.
Lunchtime yet?
Lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Oh yeah, I think it's like 8 a.m. That's a downpour. I'm making get water out of the canoe again.
Yeah. For the second time.
Wow. How we gonna pay ourselves?
Talking isn't funny. Ever. It's called paddling. Or canoeing. You can't canoe when you're not in it.
Don't growl, you sound like a bear. We're having a blast. Just when my hair had dried out. It is. I'm having a great time. Back at Double Bridge. Now what does the listing say? Does it say flat? Yeah, but this one I like that it's higher up. Especially with all this rain, yeah.
There's a nice high spot there.
Yeah.
We could probably go check that one out and then come back if we didn't like it.
Okay. That's a big fat no. You know what you're supposed to say now is, he didn't forget the charcoal this time.
But I got it wet.
No, he didn't forget the charcoal.
I think, hey, look, put it in there. It's a theme now.
No. Another first camp meal. We'll see how those turn out. When you want to drown out your smarty pants boyfriend, you take your flex tail and then you
I'll be quiet.
and you just drown them out.